Hey everybody, Robert from 4K High Films, and today we have our second unboxing. Now today's unboxing, we're going to be looking at the HeimVision HM211 outdoor waterproof camera. So I can't wait to open up the box and get right into it. Now before you open your box, you'll notice on the sleeve that there is a QR reader on the back for you to download the app directly to iPhone and or your Android device. Now the first thing you notice when you open the box is the user manual and support card, which can be used for reaching out to customer support. Now the next thing you'll notice is this white box. Now inside this white box you'll find your wall mounting help sticker. Now this is just going to give you a guide at where you need to put the screws when you're mounting your camera. Next you'll find the LAN cable. Now the LAN cable is used if you're going to connect the camera directly to the modem. Next you'll find the waterproofing kit. Now this is used to go over the connection for where the LAN cable is supposed to go. Next you'll find the screws, brackets, and Allen key. Now the screws and brackets are used to mount the camera, and the Allen key is used to get the perfect angle. And last but certainly not least, you'll find your power supply. Now this is used to give power directly to the camera. In the box, you'll find your HM211 outdoor waterproof security camera. Now this is supposed to be a 1080p viewing, and I cannot wait to hook it up and see some of the amazing features that the camera is supposed to have. And I cannot forget the antenna. Now this connects to the back of the camera, and it's going to give you a strong and secure Wi-Fi connection.
So installing the camera is simple. Using the materials given will give you the proper security for your installation. You can choose to hide or leave the wires exposed. Extra tools will be needed if you decide you want to hide the wires. Once your camera is installed, download the Pix Plus app from your iPhone or Android app store and follow the instructions for signing up. Once signed up, press the addition sign in the top corner to begin adding your camera. Be sure to follow the instructions given on the screen. Once you have added your camera, you can customize the settings to your personal preference. Some of the features include a device microphone, an alarm tone, night vision mode with a couple of settings, and motion detection. With motion detection, you can select your own sensitivity level. Also, the motion detection allows you to select the area in where you want the camera to detect motion. And finally, an area for where you want to store your video files. While inside the app, in the live camera view, you can access your messages, camera quality, a two-way speaking device, sound feedback, customized recording, your cloud album, and your camera spotlight settings. With motion detection activated, you have the ability to receive push notifications every time your camera detects motion in the selected area according to your sensitivity level you previously selected. The cloud service offers a variety of packages at an additional cost if you're not going to install a memory card into the camera. The cloud files are located under the Mine section inside of the app.
So there you have it. For an outdoor camera, I like it for its durability, functionality, price, and quality. For more information about the HM211, click the link in the description below.